how to link Steam to Marvel Rivals account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the video where we dive into all things epic in the gaming world. Today we're tackling a super common question: how you can link your Steam account to Marvel Rivals. If you're like me, jumping into those intense 6v6 battles with Spider-Man's, Iron Man and the rest of the Avenger roster is pure adrenaline. But what if you want to carry your progress, skins, and level across platforms? That's where account linking comes in, unlocking cross progression so you can play on PC via Steam one day and switch to console the next without starting over. Let's jump right in. I will walk you through the steps on screen, so follow along. First, for linking your Steam account, step 1, fire up Steam and launch Marvel Rival. If it's your first time, the game will automatically prompt you to create a new Marvel Rival account or link an existing one. Just select link existing account if you already have one from another platforms like Epic, PlayStation or Xbox. Step 2, it will redirect you to the official Marvel Rival login page. Enter your email and password or use your platform quick login if it's already connected. Now talk about step 3, authorize the connection. Steam will pop up a window asking for permission. Hit allow and you are linked. Your progress syncs instantly. If you prefer the web route, head to marvelrivals.com, log into your account dashboard under the account section. Scroll to connections or link platforms. Click on Steam and follow the prompts to authenticate. It take about 30 seconds. Now, what if you need to unlink it? Maybe you are switching to a fresh start or troubleshooting. Unlinking is just as simple. So log into your Marvel Rival account on the website and navigate to the App Set account or Connections tab. Find Steam in your link platform list. Click unlink or disconnect, confirm, and you are done. This won't delete your progress, it just serves the tie so you can relink later if needed. Always unlink before trying to link to a new account to avoid mix-ups. And remember, cross progression means your battle pass, heroes and cosmetics travels with you. But some platforms exclusive items might stay put. There you have it. I hope you liked the video. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.